Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Lipstick. My favorite lip product. This ties your whole look together. This formula is a creamy matte, full coverage lip color. Delivers intense moisture with bold, long-lasting color payoff. The texture is weightless, and it stays in place for up to 6 continuous hours. Let your lips speak for themselves with Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Lipstick.
Keep your makeup brushes clean with the electric makeup brush cleaning kit. It comes with 8 collars of varying sizes, which will fit any size brush. The wand is powered by 2 AAA batteries. Simply fit your brush into the appropriate size collar and attach it to the wand. Add a cleaning solution or water and a few drops of liquid soap to the bowl. Submerge the brush into the water for a few seconds, then turn it on. Move the brush up and down for a few seconds until it's clean, then lift it out of the water to dry. Reshape the bristles with your fingers afterwards. The kit comes with a carrying case for when you travel, and there's also a free gift, which is this makeup sponge. Professionally clean and dry your makeup brushes in seconds with the electric makeup brush cleaner kit.
Hi, this is Chandra Wood, licensed esthetician and certified makeup artist. Today I'm going to be showing you the Ageless Derma Pressed Mineral Eyeshadow. This product is vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's paraben-free, and it's also made with vitamins and green tea. So this eyeshadow is also a mini eye treatment for the eye with those ingredients in it. Eyeshadow throughout the day is not going to crease, it's not going to fade, and it's also not going to weigh down the eyes. I'm going to show you the color for this client, Pink Cream. Pink Cream is going to go really nice and very soft on a light skin tone with a pink undertone. Olive skin tone, it's going to be a great highlight color. So for the Pink Cream, I have a flat eyeshadow brush right now. I'm just going to start to tap in the middle of the eye. This has a very light shimmer, but it's mostly a matte color. So this is really great for giving contrast to the eye. This is also a great highlight color for under the eyebrow. Really gives the eye a nice a matte look with a soft finish with a slight iridescence, so there's not too much. Alright, so today on our client we used the lighter skin tone palette over here, which is the Honeymoon, and we also used the pink cream. The pink cream was the base for the lid, and then we brushed the Honeymoon over. So you can see on our eyes it's very soft, it's very light, it's very natural. If that's the look you're going for on a lighter skin tone, this would be great. These colors on an olive skin tone, the pink undertone is going to pop out a lot more. It's going to be more a great highlight color for under the eyebrow or a soft lid color. The Honeymoon has a little bit more olive iridescence gold, so it's going to pop on an olive skin tone. The colors we have over here are going to be going more into your darker colors. So these are going to be more dramatic, great for evening, on a lighter or darker skin tone. They're going to look beautiful. You can use the gray here as a smoky color, also as a contrast color for both skin tones. So these are just going to be a little bit more great for evening types of colors, rich.